Hello friends, again we have come with a new video. In this video we are finding out solution of the given quadratic equation using one more method which is known as factorization, or we can also call it as splitting of middle term. As you have seen, roots finding out there was one method, and this is another method to find the solution for quadratic equation. Now this method is known as factorization method or splitting of the middle term. Let us see first sum. We will going to factorize 2x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. When I have said factorize this or solve it, there is a equal sign. So what we will do it, we will factorize it and find out solution of it. So we have written 2x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0, and now we will have a simple unique method. You can do by any method, but if you follow this method, chances of mistake will reduce. So we have sum which is equals to linear term. I hope you know what is linear term. Plus x is a linear term, so which is equals to plus x. Since there is no numerical coefficient seen, it means it is understood that it is plus 1. So we can also call it as plus 1x. Then we have to find out product. Product is quadratic term multiplied by constant term. Quadratic term means whose index is 2. So 2x square is a quadratic term and minus 1 is a constant term. So we will get that, and you can see 2x square, as you can see from the equation, coming to the product and getting multiplied. So I hope it is clear to you what is quadratic term and what is constant term. When you multiply them, you get minus 2x square. Now I need to find the factor of 2, only 2. So what I'll get it? 1 into 2. Got it? Now what is the sign of the product we have? Please keep in mind, sign of a product, final product, see here, minus. So I need to find out difference. If the sign of the product is plus, then I will add them and find out sum. Clear? So the difference will be equals to what? Which is equals to the coefficient of sum, if you see on top, linear term. Clear? So our factors will contain 2 and 1. Now 2 is a bigger number and 1 is a smaller number. So we can say it is 2x and 1x. Since here we have product minus sign, so our factor will be 2x minus 1x. 2x minus 1x. From where I got minus sign? Because product has minus sign. So now let us see the equation, how it will change. As you see here, the 2x square will remain as it is. This plus sign which is given in the blue color equation will come as it is down. The x will be replaced by, as you have got the equation here, 2x minus 1x inside the bracket. Minus 1 equals to 0. Once we have done this with the bracket, then we have to follow mathematical rule. Now we will open the bracket. Since there is a plus sign, you can also see the factors how it is coming to here, and then we will have plus sign. So when we open the bracket, automatically no sign changes, plus 2x and minus 1x we get it. If in the question minus x would have been given, outside the bracket minus would be there, and when we open the bracket the sign will change. But since here it is plus sign given, no change in sign. Now we have got total 4 terms. First term as a 2x square, second term as a plus 2x, third term as a minus 1x, and fourth term is minus 1 equals to 0. We will group them here 2 2. I hope you all remember one of the song, it is given 4 2 ka 1. Same thing applicable here. First 4 term we will convert them in 2 terms. See here we are converting them in a 2 terms. Now 2x into x plus 1 is the one term, minus 1 into x plus 1 is the second term. Whenever minus 1 we take common, the sign changes here. Minus 1, which is constant term, will become plus 1. Clear? So now we have got 2 terms. First we have got 4 term, and now we have got 2 terms. From these 2 terms we have to take common. What you can see common? X plus 1. So see here, when you take x plus 1 common, from the first term you get 2x, left it out, and from the second term we have minus 1. So our factors will be x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Clear? Now we have got the factors, but they have asked us to solve it. So what we will do it? Yay! If the product of two number is 0, then at least one of them is 0. What it means? There are two numbers which are multiplied to form a one equation, that is x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So either x plus 1 will be equals to 0 or 2x minus 1 will be equals to 0. When I further simplify, you will transfer plus 1 from left side to the right side, it will become minus, and here you will get x equals to 1 upon 2. You got the value. Now we can write down the final answer. So what will be the final answer? Minus 1 and 1 upon 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation by factorization method. Clear? Let us see one more example. 3y square minus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. Here only solve. So you can use any method, but since we are doing factorization method, we will do that only. Again we have our equation as 3y square minus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. Let us find out sum here. Minus 2y product, as you know, quadratic term into constant term, and see here both the terms have come getting multiplied. Why the bracket has come? Because two sign cannot come together, so the product equals to minus 3y square. We will find out factors. 1 into 3, I hope you remember the product sign is minus, so I will find out difference. What will be difference? 2. Is it equals to linear term coefficient? Yes. So our factor will be what? Again remember, greater number first. So 3x minus 1x. Again I'll say greater number first. 3x minus 1x. Minus from where I got? From the product sign. So as for our equation variable is y, so we will say 3y minus 1y. So let us see here. Yes, the sign outside what is given to you in the question, which is given to you, 2y is replaced by the bracket containing 3y minus 1. I hope it is clear to you. Now when I change the sign here, before that you can see how the terms are going. So when we open the bracket, we get the sign here minus 3y plus 1y. When plus sign is outside the bracket and we open the bracket, it do not change. But when it is minus sign outside the bracket, it changes the sign which is present inside. Therefore 3y will become plus 3y will become minus 3y, and minus 1y will become plus 1y. Again we have got 4 terms. I hope you remember that song, 4 2 ka 1. Yes, see a formation of group. Now we are taking out common from 2 2. So 3y into y minus 1 plus 1 into y minus 1 equals to 0. Now we got only two terms here. 3y into y minus 1 is the one term, plus 1 into y minus 1 is the second term. Now from here we have to convert them into one term. So y minus 1 is common. So from the first term you have got 3y plus 1. From the second term will go together, and it will be factors you will get of the solution, factors of the equation. Y minus 1 into 3y plus 1 equals to 0. But what we need to solve it and get the solution. Therefore, if the product of the two number is 0, then at least one of them is 0. Therefore, either y minus 1 equals to 0 or 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So we find out the value of y as 1 or y equals to minus 1 upon 3. Do not forget to write down the answer. 1 and minus 1 upon 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation by factorization method. I hope you have followed this method properly. If you do stepwise, I am sure you are going to understand it very well and you will not do mistake. In case you find this is useful, please share with your friends.